Chime's Spot Me feature represents a significant advancement in modern banking solutions, offering qualified members the ability to overdraw their accounts without traditional overdraft fees. This cash advance service has gained substantial popularity among users seeking flexible short-term financial solutions, particularly those who want to avoid predatory payday loans and excessive bank fees. The service operates by analyzing users' direct deposit history and account activity to determine eligibility, typically requiring at least $200 in qualifying direct deposits per month. Unlike traditional overdraft services, SpotMe doesn't charge interest or fees, making it an attractive option for users who occasionally need small amounts of extra cash between paychecks. Understanding how Chime's cash advance works is crucial for making informed financial decisions, especially given the evolving landscape of digital banking in 2025. The service has introduced several new features and improvements over the years, making it essential to review its current offerings and limitations before deciding if it's the right choice for your financial needs. To qualify for Chime's SpotMe service, users must meet specific criteria that have been designed to ensure responsible lending practices while maintaining accessibility. The primary requirement remains consistent. Members must receive qualifying direct deposits of $200 or more per month, which helps Chime verify steady income streams and assess creditworthiness without traditional credit checks. Account history and usage patterns play a significant role in determining eligibility, with Chime analyzing factors such as deposit frequency, spending habits, and account balance maintenance. New accounts typically need to establish a history of regular direct deposits before becoming eligible, though the exact time frame can vary based on individual circumstances and deposit amounts. The maximum SpotMe limit starts at $20 and can increase up to $200 based on account activity and banking history. This tiered approach allows Chime to gradually extend larger advance amounts to users who demonstrate responsible usage patterns, while maintaining risk management protocols that protect both the platform and its users. When an eligible transaction would normally overdraw your account, SpotMe automatically covers the difference up to your approved limit. This seamless integration with regular spending habits means users don't need to manually request advances or go through additional approval processes for each transaction, making it particularly convenient for unexpected expenses or emergency situations. The advance is automatically repaid from your next deposit, ensuring a straightforward repayment process that doesn't require manual intervention. This automatic repayment system helps users avoid the cycle of debt often associated with traditional payday loans, as there's no option to roll over the advance or extend the repayment period. Transaction monitoring and real-time notifications keep users informed about their SpotMe usage and available balance. The system is designed to work with debit card purchases and ATM withdrawals, though it's important to note that certain transaction types, such as ACH transfers and Chime checkbook transactions, are not eligible for SpotMe coverage. Perhaps the most compelling aspect of Chime's SpotMe service is its fee structure, or rather, the lack thereof. Unlike traditional overdraft services that charge fees ranging from $25 to $35 per transaction, SpotMe operates on a voluntary tipping system where users can choose to leave a tip to support the service, but are not required to do so. The absence of mandatory fees represents significant potential savings for users who occasionally overdraw their accounts. When compared to traditional overdraft fees, payday loans, or credit card cash advances, SpotMe offers substantial cost advantages that can add up to hundreds of dollars in savings annually for frequent users. The optional tipping system allows users to contribute what they feel is appropriate, with tips being completely voluntary and having no impact on future SpotMe eligibility or limits. This transparent approach to pricing aligns with Chime's broader mission of providing accessible financial services without hidden fees or charges. The integration of SpotMe within Chime's mobile app provides a seamless user experience with real-time balance updates and clear visibility into available SpotMe limits. The app's interface makes it easy to track spending, monitor advance usage, and understand when advances will be repaid from upcoming deposits. Push notifications and in-app alerts keep users informed about their SpotMe activity, including when transactions are covered, when limits are approaching, and when advances are repaid. This proactive communication helps users maintain awareness of their financial situation and make informed spending decisions. The mobile app also provides detailed transaction histories and spending analytics that help users understand their SpotMe usage patterns and manage their finances more effectively. These tools can be particularly valuable for budgeting and financial planning purposes. Traditional bank overdraft services typically charge significant fees per transaction, often leading to multiple charges in a single day if several transactions post while an account is overdrawn. Chime's SpotMe service eliminates these cascading fees, providing a more predictable and cost-effective solution for managing short-term cash flow challenges. The approval process for SpotMe is also more straightforward and accessible than traditional overdraft protection, which often requires credit checks or minimum balance requirements. This accessibility makes it particularly valuable for users who might not qualify for traditional overdraft protection or want to avoid the complexity of traditional banking relationships. The automatic repayment structure of SpotMe helps users avoid the prolonged debt cycles that can occur with traditional overdraft services, where fees and negative balances can compound over time. This feature promotes better financial health and helps users maintain control over their spending. The primary advantages of Chime's SpotMe include the absence of fees, automatic coverage of eligible transactions, and gradual limit increases based on account history. The service provides valuable financial flexibility without the predatory aspects often associated with short-term lending products. However, users should be aware of certain limitations, such as the maximum advance limit of $200, which may not be sufficient for larger unexpected expenses. Additionally, not all transaction types are eligible for coverage, and the requirement for regular direct deposits may exclude some potential users who have irregular income patterns. The automatic repayment structure, while beneficial for preventing debt accumulation, means users need to carefully manage their incoming deposits to ensure they can cover both the advance repayment and their regular expenses. This requires some degree of financial planning and awareness. Chime employs robust security measures to protect users' financial information and transactions, including encryption, fraud monitoring, and multi-factor authentication. The SpotMe service includes additional safeguards to prevent misuse and ensure responsible lending practices. Transaction monitoring systems help identify potential fraud or unauthorized usage, with suspicious activities triggering immediate alerts and protective measures. Users can instantly disable their debit cards through the mobile app if they suspect unauthorized activity. The platform's security infrastructure is regularly updated to address emerging threats and maintain compliance with financial regulations. This commitment to security helps protect users' financial information and maintains the integrity of the SpotMe service. Chime provides multiple channels for customer support, including in-app chat, email, and phone support for SpotMe-related inquiries. Support representatives are trained to handle questions about eligibility, limits, and transaction coverage, providing clear explanations and solutions. The resolution process for disputed transactions or SpotMe-related issues is straightforward, with dedicated support teams handling these matters promptly. Users can typically expect responses within 24 hours for most inquiries, with urgent matters receiving priority attention. Documentation and support resources within the app provide detailed information about SpotMe policies and procedures, helping users find answers to common questions without needing to contact support directly. This self-service approach enhances the overall user experience while maintaining access to personal assistance when needed. Chime continues to evolve its SpotMe service based on user feedback and changing financial needs. Recent updates have focused on increasing accessibility, improving user experience, and expanding coverage options for different transaction types. The platform's commitment to innovation suggests potential future enhancements, such as increased limits for long-term users, additional customization options, and expanded eligibility criteria. These developments could make the service even more valuable for users while maintaining its core benefits of accessibility and affordability. User feedback plays a crucial role in shaping these developments, with Chime actively soliciting and incorporating customer suggestions into service improvements. This user-centric approach helps ensure that future updates address real needs, and enhance the overall value proposition of the SpotMe service.